Hey YouTube fam, are you looking for a video editor that can bring your content to the next level? Look no further, because I'm here to help. To make your short movies short and advertisement song videos in cinematic styles. As a video editor, my goal is to turn your raw footage into a polished and professional looking video. I'll work with you every step of the way to make sure your vision is brought to life. I'll start by importing all the clips, photos, and music you've provided me with. Once everything is imported, I'll organize the footage into folders based on the type of content. Next, I'll create a rough cut of the video, piecing together the footage in a way that makes sense for the story you want to tell. I'll then refine the edit, fine-tuning the pacing of the video, adding transitions, and making any other necessary adjustments. Audio is crucial in any video, so I'll make sure the sound quality is top-notch. This includes adjusting the volume levels, syncing the audio with the footage, and adding any music or sound effects you've provided. Final touches. Lastly, I'll add any final touches to the video, such as text overlays, titles, and color grading to give the video a consistent look and feel, and voila! Your video is complete and ready to share with the world. Don't settle for subpar video content. Let me take your content to the next level with my expert video editing skills. Contact me today and let's get started. Just DM me on my Instagram, giving link in description.